This is a little tutorial about once you've gotten started with Twitter. Just a few basic things that you might want to know once you've got yourself a handle and a Twitter account. Once you sign into Twitter, you'll come and you'll have several things across the top here. This is where you go to your home feed, where you see things that are being fed of people who you follow. Sometimes you'll have something like you see here with American Express, which is just kind of like an advertisement. But most of the things that you'll have are with people that you follow that they're tweeting out. The second place that you want to look is your connect, and this is where you show your interactions that you have with other people, people that have followed you, people that reply about things that you've commented on, retweets, anything like that might show up in your interactions. The next part is discover. If you're looking for a hashtag or person, this is where you can go with the discover, and in the search place you can put in either a hashtag or a person. For example, if you are looking for the New York Mets, you could see if the New York Mets has a Twitter handle. It looks like they don't, so you might try some other things. Instead, I see, oh look, here's the New Yorker. I'm interested in the New Yorker, so using the search I could find information and possibly look at following them if that was my interest. Then the next one is me. When you come to the me, this is what is kind of like your dashboard. This is where it shows what other people would see, the background, your description of yourself, your handle, and then of course your profile picture. One of the things I recommend that you do early on is edit your profile and change your egghead, as they call it in Twitterland, to a personal picture or emoticon or anime of some sort. So you could go to your profile picture and you can edit the information there and then save your changes. Additionally, here is the point right here where you can compose a tweet, and this is where you can address someone. If you want to address someone, you would put @ and their handle name, or if you were wanting to address a PLN, you would do the hashtag, for example, NISD Innovate, and then anyone that uses that hashtag to search would find your tweet there. Additionally, you have here your settings. This is where you can manage your direct messages, go get lists or create lists. This is also a place for helps, keyboard shortcuts. It provides a place for your settings, and of course if you wanted to sign out of your account. Here you can set up your settings, and this will allow for you to archive your Twitter. You could also deactivate your account if you wanted to, or other options that you might want to explore. In addition to that, you can click on following and see who you're following, and it'd give you a list of those people that you're following. You can also click on your followers, which would show you people that are following you. This would provide you a list of things that you've recently favorited. So if there's a tweet that you favorited or some resource that you liked, you might favorite it so that you could come back to that tweet. Another thing would be lists. You can be added to a list, subscribe to a list, or follow a list, or create a list. The choice is yours. There also are some recommendations here of who to follow. That can be a way for you to choose to follow someone, or you can just follow through when you follow PLNs like NISD Innovate, follow all the people that participate in that PLN or Professional Learning Network. Down here at the bottom you'll see trends, and that's hashtags that are being tweeted heavily. If you notice, sometimes if you participate in certain PLNs, they'll actually trend in the top 2. Some of those that I participated in are Sat Chat that happen on Saturday mornings, and then Sun Chat that happens on Sunday nights. And that's just a little bit about how to get familiar with your Twitter account.